Hi folks, Dr. Bob. I wanted to talk to you about something that few people have really heard about before. It's spermadine. And it's kind of trending a little bit out there, but it comes from algae, spermadine. And the stuff we're going to be getting in a little bit here is uses spermadine with a couple other essential oils. It's for hair growth in men. So the number one problem that issue for men might be, low T, something like that. But the other one would be hair loss. So you can sell beauty products to women, which we're going to have some beauty products with our astaxanthin, using our astaxanthin, because it's really incredible for the skin. But for men, it's hair loss, and I've looked for a long, long time to find something other than the stuff that's already out there, and it doesn't really work. It might help a little bit. This stuff, you take 2 capsules a day for like 6 months, or about 3 months, and you see a huge difference. I mean, you actually see hair growing on people's heads. So it's a great product. Spermadine is also used for a lot of other things. It's really incredible for the body in a lot of different ways, but I just wanted to have this focus on the hair growth because, like I said, there's lots of products out there. You've seen them for years and years. I mean, no man wants to lose. You get the male baldness in the front here and everything, or sometimes you get it in the back here. Well, this stuff really makes your hair grow like crazy, and I couldn't believe it when I first saw it. I don't have that problem, but I know lots of people who do, and they all want to get their hair back, and so this is like the perfect product. So we'll have it in a couple months here, but I just wanted to mention spermadine for you in case you haven't heard it, and it's going to really change the hair growth market in the U.S. Dr. Bob, see you next time.